watching. I'm going to show you guys how to caulk, and I'm going to get straight to the point, and I'm going to try to teach you guys as quick as I could and as good as I could. Alright, so listen very carefully. When you caulk your line, if you're not pushing your finger into it, you're not caulking. Go ahead and watch how I do it. And you see these gaps here, which I've already got these nailed in. It's gonna look as good as that. All right, so let's do this. First thing you're gonna need is obviously your caulk gun. Have that ready. And if it's white, you're going with white. Also over here, what I have is a little bit of water. I squirted a little bit of dish soap in there, okay? The reason you got dish soap, so when I run my finger across it, it's gonna slide and glide across it. Have some, I got toilet paper here. You can have paper towel, something to wipe up the excess off with. And let's go ahead and get caulking. I'll show you guys what I do in real time. I got a little toilet pipe over here, so I gotta get around that. And I don't know if you could see what I'm doing over here. Okay, I'll go up to there. And we're squirting it into it. Don't worry about that. A little bit of excess right there. We'll wipe that off. Okay. I've cocked that off so it quits squirting out. Now you're going to take your finger and just dip it into the soapy water that I've mixed together. And I'm going to go into the corner here for you guys and probably zoom in so you guys can see exactly what's happening. All right, dip my finger in the water again. Push my finger into the corner. When I first started caulking, I didn't know you had to actually do this finger part. If you don't do this and you're doing like windows and doors or actually anything, it's gonna start to crack later. So I caulked the whole house and didn't realize that about a year later, it started cracking again. So if you're not shoving your finger in there, and that's why I'm saying this, even the best of us can make mistakes because we're beginners. There's no handbook for this. Thank God for YouTube, where you can go watch a video and learn from other people's mistakes and not have to repeat them. All right, so see what I'm doing is wiping off the excess, rubbing it on this napkin, and ditching the napkin in an old paint pail. All right, let me try to move my camera up so you guys can see how it's finishing off. Real easy, you can just take your time. Toilet paper, wipe, throw it out. Dip my finger again, clean that up a little better. And I'm gonna zoom in for you guys so you guys see what's actually happening. So you guys can see how nice it looks. Almost as if a professional was in this house. Dip my finger again, keep your finger wet. Having your finger wet will get you to have that perfect seam. I'm gonna also do this little corner right here so you guys can see. Let me get in here. Zoom it down. All right, see that corner? Just so you guys don't think I'm full of it. And can't show you guys everything. Caulking that. Put that to the floor. Right now it looks like crap, but it's gonna look great. And that's where my nail gun jammed into a piece of metal behind it. I'll fix that when I'm done, so don't mind the imperfections. Anybody who's remodeling or fixing knows that there's always touch up after you do something. So, ran my finger over there. My finger down here. Show you guys the aftermath. It's gonna look nice. Maybe that's not the right word, aftermath. Maybe it has to do with superheroes or something. All right. Get the corner a little better. Maybe twist up a toilet paper piece or a napkin. Get that corner better. All right, so I'm gonna zoom into the caulking job so you guys can see what actually happened. And you guys be the judge if this video is gonna help you out. All right, so look at that caulk line. Let me try to zoom out. Might be able to get that a little bit better right here. A little smudge. So So by dipping your hand in the water, you guys can see what has happened to this caulk line. That's just water right there. Don't worry about that. Clean it up, look it over. Right, so that's how you caulk a wall. That line is now gone. Right, so thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped you out. Give me a thumbs up.